Emerging technology comes in different shapes, designs, and perceptions, and in this video, I will demonstrate just that. By the way, when was the last time you bought a vacuum? Was it before ChatGPT was invented or after? Maybe it's time for an upgrade, and maybe it's time to consider the new wave of technology in this particular sector. Maybe, just maybe, you'll want to check out the Dreame H14 Pro, a wet and dry vacuum that I'll be reviewing today in this video. This machine promises powerful cleaning, smart automation, and hassle-free maintenance. This is my first video about the H14 Pro, and today we'll take a deep dive into its key features, real-world performance, and whether it's actually worth the hype. Also, before we start, if you decide to grab one, use my promo code DMShark5OFF for a discount. All the details are in the description. Let's not waste any more time. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's dive deep. Let's first talk about this vacuum. What is the Dreame H14 Pro? The H14 Pro isn't just another vacuum. It's a high-tech, innovative, and complete floor cleaning system designed to handle both wet and dry messes. It's important. It picks up liquids and solid debris in one go, while its 180-degree lie flat design makes it easy to clean under furniture. The liquid separation motor prevents backflow, keeping dirty water contained and everything sanitary. Many of us struggle with cleaning corners and baseboards, but the H14 Pro makes it easy with its dual edge cleaning feature. Plus, the smart cleaning solution distribution automatically adjusts the mix based on how dirty the floor is, so you don't have to figure it out yourself. You can also customize everything through the smart app. You can adjust settings, schedule cleanings, and track maintenance all in one place. And if you're worried about heavy lifting, the glide wheel power system makes maneuvering smooth and flawless. To top it all off, the 60°C brush wash and hot air drying keep everything clean, dry, and free from mold. Sounds impressive? It surely does, but let's put this big boy to the test. Ooh, look at these neon lights. It went over it in one pass and done. No streaks, no leftover debris, and no hassle. It's picking up both liquid and solid messes at the same time, which is way more efficient than a regular mop or vacuum. And I already mentioned I used to use both, but this device is both a vacuum and a mop, and definitely saves time and energy, and that's the key point of new technology. It should save time for us. Let's run test 2. Alright, I brought a lot of dirt. We have some leaves. These needles are from a local pine tree. Let's couple it with ketchup. Oh yeah, this thing is disgusting. Woohoo! This is insane. Wow! The 520 rotations per minute high-speed brush is really working, and you saw it in action. Scrubbing and lifting all the dirt. You can see it pulling everything up without leaving any streaks behind, and the floor already dry. No need to go over it again or wait for it to air dry. Plus, thanks to the 60°C hot water cleaning, the brush stays fresh with no buildup or bad odors. That's big upgrade from traditional mopping. There's one final test that I want us to conduct, and it involves edge and corner cleaning. Let's see how well this vacuum handles corners and edges. These are usually the hardest spots to clean. A lot of vacuums struggle with edges, but this one gets right up against the baseboards. You can see it picking up everything in a single pass. No extra effort needed, no debris left behind. By the way, this vacuum has algorithm-based traction on its rear wheel, making it feel weightless when moving forward and backward. Even elderly users can push it easily. Now, for something practical, vacuuming under the couch. and lying the vacuum completely flat. Not only does it fit all the way underneath, but the suction power doesn't drop at that angle. It keeps cleaning just as well while fully horizontal. Try doing that with your old upright vacuum. Testing the vacuum system itself was only the first part of my review. Now I want to show you something truly cool, the part where technology takes over. The H14 Pro comes with smart features and its own application. So what's so smart about it? First, it tells you how much solution to use. Instead of guessing, the H14 Pro auto-adjusts based on dirt level, anywhere from 1 to 200 to 1 to 30 dilution. Now about the app. Here's how it works. Open the app first, go to settings, customize settings, custom mode, quiet mode, turbo. There are several options. There are several options here, and you can pick whatever works for you. There are preferences to adjust suction and water flow. You can customize your cleaning schedule and set cleaning times. The application will also allow you to stay updated with maintenance reminders and over-the-air updates. You will receive all of the reminders. Now, my favorite part is self-cleaning and maintenance. Most vacuums get dirty fast, but the H14 Pro takes care of itself. I'm going to click on Start Self-Cleaning, and I will explain the process. This vacuum uses 60 degrees Celsius hot water to break down grime. The dual rotation self-cleaning system to prevent hair from tangling, and a 5-minute hot air drying process to keep the brush mold free. And while other vacuums just rinse with cold water, this one actually sterilizes the brush. You hear that sound? So you don't have to worry about buildup or bad odors. The H14 Pro is built for long cleaning sessions. With a 6-cell 5000 milliamp hour battery, it runs for up to 40 minutes. And enough to clean a 300 square meter home on a single charge. And thanks to its 880 milliliter water tank, you won't have to stop and refill constantly. Technology evolves faster than we can blink, and to stay competitive, we have to keep up. That applies to every aspect of our lives, including cleaning. Yes, cleaning. You want the machine to do the work for you, not the other way around. I've tested this vacuum, and in my view, it's a must-have cleaning device that delivers serious value for its price. At $500, you're getting a powerful, smart cleaning robot with strong suction that easily handles both wet and dry messes. It cleans under furniture, along edges, and in corners without missing a spot. The smart solution distribution and app control make cleaning almost hands-free, adjusting automatically based on the mess. Plus, the self-cleaning system with hot water and hot air drying keeps everything fresh. So you don't have to worry about buildup or odors. And with long battery life and a large tank, you can clean more without constant interruptions. This is exactly what cleaning should be: fast, efficient, and easy. If you want a vacuum that actually does the work for you, this is it. Feel free to use my 5% off promo code and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more in-depth tests. That's it for now. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.